guys, we woke up a little late today, and after that we have come now for brunch, and then we'll be going towards South Goa for which, what am I saying, because of which we were like, let's have brunch in North itself. Okay, so we have ordered 4 thalis. Ta-da! And then some fish here. And then this is ghee roast, it seems. Yeah. Okay, so we finished food. So now we are going towards GOA beach. Reached the beach. I have this to, show the videos. Ishan has gone to drink tea. The rest are here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so finished at the beach. Now we're going back to our Airbnb, and we have and the duster here. So we're going back. Then we'll be having a shower, and then we will be having food. Leaving.
She's talking.
Hey guys, so now we are going for dinner, and Ishan Ali right here, he has got wrong time allergy. So
You look so shiny.
And tonight at 5:50 we have our train. So this will be the last dinner in Goa for this time. And then yeah, we will be having our food here, and then we're going home to our room. We have to pack, and then we are off to Mangalore. This is it for the vlog, guys. We have reached the railway station, and I'm so sleepy. I could not even vlog properly. My sleep is not done. Morning train. Well, it's fine. We enjoyed, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Meet you all soon. Reached home, guys.